So welcome students to the basic classes of accounts. This is lecture number 5. In the previous 4 lectures we had learned gain, sacrifice and how to distribute reserves and surplus. Today we are going to learn chapter number 1 and we are going to solve a question of it. That kind of question is asked in board examination for 3 minutes. Okay, the name of chapter is Introduction to Partnership. In this chapter there are several theories, but we will catch up it later. Without wasting time, let's move to the question. I'm currently solving textbook question number 3, sub question number 1. You may have this question in the video. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of it. If you don't have book, if you have book, then refer the book. So in page number 30, the question is: a partner withdraws identical amount at the end of each month from the firm. At the end of the year, total drawings is 12,000. 12% per annum interest is chargeable on drawings. Determine the amount of interest on drawings of the year. See, in this question, what information is given? First information was a partner withdraws identical amount at the end of each month. Identical means same amount at the end of each month. मतलब हर महीने वो एक जैसी amount जो है withdraw करके घर ले जाता है. Okay, and the total drawing is 12,000. But we don't need the total drawing because partner ने तो हर महीने withdraw किया है. तो हम क्या करेंगे उसे per month में divide करेंगे. So the total drawing is 12,000. 12,000 divided by 12 answer is 1,000 per month. अब आगे की इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो समझने के लिए आपको एक कंसेप्ट समझना होगा. अगर आइडेंटिकल अमाउंट, सेम अमाउंट, एक जैसे अमाउंट हर महीने कोई पार्टनर ले जाता है, ठीक है, तो उसमें 3 कंडीशन होती है. पहला, इट मे हैपन he or she withdraws at the beginning of month, at the middle of month or at the end of month. So if the drawings is made in the beginning of month, we will take 78 by 12 time frame, middle of month 72 by 12 and at the end of month 66 by 12. अगर आपको ये जानना है कि 78, 72 और 66 कैसे आ रहे हैं तो आप बाद में मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हैं या फिर पर्सनली मुझसे चैट कर सकते हैं. मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि 78, 72 और 76 जो है वो कैसे आता है. हम फिलहाल अभी के लिए याद रख लेते हैं कि इफ बिगिनिंग ऑफ मंथ मतलब स्टार्टिंग ऑफ मंथ को तो 78 by 12, मिडिल ऑफ मंथ 72 by 12 एंड एंड ऑफ मंथ को 66 by 12. Now I am calculating the interest on drawing. The formula is interest on drawing is equal PRN divided by 100. Here P means principal amount, R means rate of interest and N means time frame. Now the principal amount per month, not per year, per month is 1,000. Rate of interest is 12%. Okay, that is given in the sum. 12% into end of month. So end of month will take what? 66 by 12. So 66 by 12. By doing some calculations, we got the answer 660. So this is your interest on credit. So hopefully friends आपको ये पूरा सम जो है अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. So तब तक के लिए stay home, stay safe. Thank you.